Alright, so we have this bed with 2 box springs because it's a king size bed, and we've got this little annoying issue where when you step on the bed, you've got this super loud annoying creak, and I want to show you guys something that might be a solution to this bed and to possibly your bed as well. As you can see on the bottom of this box spring, you have this cardboard material. We need to get rid of this cardboard material. This is what's making that annoying creaking sound. So after much effort, we've got one of the 2 box springs done. We've got the cardboard removed. I'm going to put the bed down just to test out because I don't want to go through all this work if it doesn't actually help. We are hoping and praying that it is the cause of the noise issue, that creaking annoying sound. So one thing I will note is that next time, if this does help, these cardboards have tiny little staples, so I probably want to use gloves round 2. So we're gonna test it out. Already, as my son is getting on the bed, I'm noticing there is no creak. 0 creak. I think we solved the issue. So the fact that there is no sound as I'm stepping on the bed means that is what's causing the issue. This cheap, annoying cardboard making that loud, crunching, creaking sound. So if you have one of these box springs that is making that loud noise as you step into it, just know before you throw it away, do anything to push back, get rid of this cheap cardboard.